We have another way for providing type information, and that is using a declaration or a type definition file. This is useful if you don't want to modify your JavaScript code and add these comments. So let's delete these lines. Now back to our project. Here in the source folder, let's add a new file called tags.d.ts. So the name of the file should be the same as the corresponding JavaScript file, but the extension should be d.ts. D is short for declaration. And this is the same as a header file in C if you have done any C programming. So in this declaration file, we declare all the features of the target module. So our target module is tags.js, and here we have a function called calculateTags. So now we need to declare this in this declaration file. We say declare function calculateTags with income parameter of type number, and this function returns a number. And then we terminate this line using a semicolon. So all we're doing here is declaring this function. The actual implementation is somewhere else in the target module, okay? Now, if we export this, the TypeScript compiler will know that our calculateTags function expects an income parameter of type number. So back to index.ts, if we remove this argument, we get a compilation error saying an argument for income was not provided, okay? So let's bring this back. So using declaration files, we can provide type information to the TypeScript compiler. Just remember, when using this approach, you should describe all the features in the target module. Anything you don't describe will be invisible to the compiler. For example, if we go to this JavaScript file and export another function, say hello, and then we forget to declare this. In this declaration file, this is going to be invisible to the TypeScript compiler. So if you go to index.ts, we're not going to be able to import say hello from the tags module. So when using declaration files, you should describe all the features of the target module.